All right, let's go over the practice. So we have our original, which is 17, and our new, which is 24. And remember, when the original is smaller, then we have an increase. So we are going to have an increase, which means I'm going to do my new minus my original all over my original. So I have 24 minus 17 all over 17. 24 minus 17, 7 over 17. So now I'm going to do 7 divided by 17 and then times 100. So 7 divided by 17 times 100. So you get 41 point, and we're going to round to the nearest hundredth, so we're going to do 41.18. Percent. And write the word increase next to it. That way, if anybody is trying to figure out, well, what kind of percent that is, at least we know that we are increasing by 41 and 1800%. So let's do number 2. So number 2, we have our original is larger than our new number. So we have to do our original minus new, and we always divide by our original. And then we'll times by 100. I probably should have added that over here. So we have 32 minus 28 all over 32. So 32 minus 28 divide by 32. So this was 4 over 32, and I divided by 32, and then I need to multiply by 100. So times 100, and I get 12.5%. And this is a decrease because my original was bigger than my new. Awesome, let's do the next one. Last year at her job, Kim earned $8 per hour. So last year, this is the OG, this is the original. And then this year, she earns $10 per hour. So she got a raise. That's exciting. Everyone likes more money. So what is the percent of change from last year to this year? So we have a new, which is bigger, and our new is bigger, which means we do new minus our original all over our original. And then times 100. So we're going to do 10 minus 8 all divided by 8. So 10 minus 8 is 2 divided by 8. 2 divided by 8. Nope, not 28. 2 divided by 8. And then times 100. We get 25%. And we need to state whether it's an increase or decrease. It was an increase because she got a raise. All right. Michael bought a new car. Michael bought a new soccer jersey that was $24.99. After taxes, the total cost was $28.99. So our original price and our new price. What percent of increase? So our original is $24.99. Our new is $28.99. So we have $28.99 minus $24.99 all over my original, which is $24.99. So that's $4 over $24.99. I'm going to divide this. So 4 divided by $24.99. Then I'm going to multiply by 100. And I get 16. And we are not going to round to the nearest hundredth. Instead, we're just going to round it up to the nearest whole percent. So this time we get 16% increase. Typically, it'll tell you what you are going to round to. But let's pause there, and then you're going to go to the next video for our next set of notes. So go ahead and flip your page.